It's out of calibration at the moment. What we're going to be doing now is just calibrating it by towing the trailer at above 10 k's an hour for about 100 meters, and that should calibrate the system. It may get a little rough.
And there you go, the blue light has come on solid, so the unit is now calibrated. That was approximately 50 meters.
And we can now turn it up, and you see as I turn it up and I'm braking, you can see that the light come on. So that means that the trailer is now working with the vehicle's braking system, so that's on auto. Okay, so that's probably a little bit fierce for this vehicle in these conditions. So there we go, that feels quite nice. Alright, so there you have it, very easily calibrated. As I say, you may experience a little bit of juddering to begin with as you set off. We've got the Tow Pro installed and we're now in the auto mode, so it's fully automatic and it's down to 0. So for this vehicle we found that it's around about 2 is really quite nice for the trailer. But as I pull forward, what I'm going to show you is the difference in intensity that it's braking the trailer as we brake at the same rate. So that's something that's really important. Also, the harder we brake, the more intense the trailer will brake. So you can change the intensity at a base level, and then the 3-axis accelerometer will change. When you have to step on the brakes really hard, it's really going to put the anchors on the trailer. So you find out what's a comfortable medium for your vehicle and then set it at that, and then you'll see the intensity of the light represents the intensity that the brakes are coming on. So when I jam my brakes on a little harder, you'll see that light tends to go red rather than the purple for a gentle brake. Okay, so we'll set that about there and we'll pull away and we'll just give you a quick demonstration on that. Okay, we're going to get up to approximately 30 k's an hour and do a nice brake as you would do. 35, so we'll go to 40, and that slowed down really quite nicely. Okay, so now if we up the amount of pressure that's going to apply, now you can already see that the intensity is changing by the fact that I've got my foot on the brake, and as I turn the dial up it changes colour, so that's the intensity changing. So now I'm up to 4, so as I bring it up to 40 again, so 30, 35, hitting 40. Now as I brake, it's certainly a lot quicker. Okay, and that's the trailer holding this up as well. So you can adjust this to what suits your driving style and also the weight of your vehicle or your trailer behind you, so that both the vehicle and the trailer work in unison together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to manual mode. So what we'll do is just put the vehicle in park, handbrake on. Okay, so now we're going from auto mode to manual mode. So we turn the dial back to 0, press a foot on the brake and give it 2 taps, and that changes it back to a green colour. Now you know that you're on manual mode, and this is where we actually set up the proportion of the brake. And you can see there I've got my foot on the brake, so as I turn it right the way up to 10, that's a huge intensity, so that will brake the trailer as is, as you set it up, no matter how fast you're going. So this is very much like the conventional brake trailers.